finish it on cam. Straight up melting in your mouth, yo. Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? This is Vikram G, back out your Coach V TV, and today's episode, we're about to whip up a quick air fryer salmon recipe, and these are all our ingredients. We got salt, pepper, Miracle Whip, paprika, Old Bay spice, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and some freshly minced garlic, baby. So, I'm finna show y'all how to whip this up real quick, and I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get it. So to start off, we're gonna add a tablespoon of Miracle Whip, light Miracle Whip,
2 free cloves of minced garlic, tablespoon of Dijon mustard and lemon juice, teaspoon of paprika, black pepper, and pink salt. Whisk that up until you get a mixture like this. Put your salmon inside, flip it, pat all the flavors up inside there, get the flavors in tune with each other. Put some aluminum foil for less mess in your air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and voila, you got a beautiful masterpiece of a meal.
All right, boys, finished product. Got a taste test. Yes. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Can't wait to have this fuel my arm pump for today. Have a sick workout. Might as well finish it on cam. Just so y'all know how bussin' was.
Oh yeah.
Straight up melting in your mouth, yo. Grind getting real out here, man. So. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Try to cook some mean ass salmon. Yes, let's get it. All right, peace out.